Major Hurricane Beryl, which is still a Category 4 storm, is barreling straight towards Jamaica and will make a near pass or even potentially a landfall in a couple of hours as a Category 4 storm. If it does officially make landfall, it would be the strongest storm to hit Jamaica in its history and the first major hurricane since 1988 to make landfall with the island. Take a farther out view here, we'll look at the satellite imagery. Not nearly as good looking as it was yesterday, but still a nice storm. You can see that eye starting to potentially clear itself back out. Full hurricane force winds are being felt on Jamaica right now. Here's the NHC track. You can see that it's expected to remain a major hurricane until tomorrow morning before weakening to a Category 2 and then making landfall with the Yucatan Peninsula as a Category 2 storm before weakening and going into the Gulf. You can see here, this is from about an hour ago, so likely Jamaica is already receiving hurricane force winds on the island, and that eye wall is getting very close. You can see hurricane warnings out for the Cayman Islands right up here, and then already hurricane warnings out for the Yucatan Peninsula and tropical storm watches and warnings as well. And this is a guided track. You can see it might not necessarily make a direct landfall with Jamaica, but it will be a very close pass. And you can see that model guidance trending more north towards the Gulf Coast, towards Louisiana and Texas on the more recent runs. Intensity guidance, you can see a very quick dip as it will weaken through a shear and then eventually because of landfall with the Yucatan Peninsula, and then a gradual strengthening as it enters the Gulf before it makes landfall with Mexico or Texas. NHC's intensity guidance here, you can see very strong storm before weakening and then gradually intensifying in the Gulf and then making landfall near the Texas-Mexico border. Thank you guys for watching. Everybody stay safe with the storm. Peace.